Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to design and model a pin spring, just like the one seen here. Let's go ahead and get started. Come on up to File, and let's start a new design. So the first thing I want to do now is to just come over to Document Settings and to change my units to millimeters. Select OK. And let's come on over now to Create, and we're going to select the Coil tool here, or feature, and I'm going to select my XY plane. And whenever you select the plane, the first thing you want to do is drag out the diameter of the spring. And in this case, as you can see here, the diameter is 5.2 millimeters. I'm going to zoom in now, my mouse wheel. Okay. And we're going to select revolution and height. You can also use revolution and pitch, but we're going to go with revolution and height. Okay. We want 3 revolutions. Here you see our diameter that we just entered. Our height, we actually only want that to be 2 millimeters. Okay, but we'll set this in a little bit later. We want like our actual coil diameter now. And I took out my calipers and I measured it. It's about 0.5. So it's a very tiny coil, right? It's a pin spring. And then our height now, we want that height to be about 2 millimeters. Go ahead and select OK. Now we got to come up here and we're going to offset a plane here. Offset from that guy, a distance of, okay, well, the height of our spring, which we said was 2 millimeters. Okay. And now we're going to come back to Create. Once again, select Coil. We're going to select this plane right here, and we're going to drag out once again a circle with the diameter of our spring, and we want that to be 5.2 millimeters. Hit Enter. And once again, our options pop up. Okay. But this time, we got a few things we need to change. So we're going to select revolution and height like we did before. Our diameter is the same. Our revolutions now, if you look at that image, we have to count. We got about 10 of them. Okay. And so, and it's going to say error for now, but that's okay. And we're going to put point. We're going to set join here, and we're going to set this guy to the same thing as we did before, 0.5. Okay. And our height now, that's going to be 26 millimeters. Okay. And I'm going to zoom out here so you guys can see it. Okay, so everything, hopefully you got something like looks like this. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and select OK. Now let's go ahead and do one more plane that's offset. And this time we're going to offset it 28 millimeters, which is the distance of the total height of our spring here. Okay, hit OK. And then once again, we're going to come to Create, Coil, select on that plane. Okay, and we're going to drag out once again the diameter of our the total diameter of our spring, which is 5.2 millimeters. Hit Enter. Okay, once again, our options pop up here. We're going to go with our type, revolution and height. Diameter is 5.2. Okay, and now we have to tell Fusion the diameter of our actual coil, which, to be consistent, it's 0.5 millimeters, about a half a millimeter. We only want 3 revolutions, and we want a height now is the same as this one, which we did as 2 millimeters. Okay, and that should do it. Make sure it says join. Go ahead and select OK. And when you're all finished, hopefully you have something that looks like this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and modify it here and give it a material. And these springs are stainless steel, so I'm going to go to metal. And I'm going to scroll down till I find stainless steel. Just the basic stainless steel. There's a lot of them. Go ahead and hit close. All right. And when you're done, don't forget to save it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. We'll see you next time.